Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how I took my command center from looking incomplete. You can see it looks like I haven't finished it because I hadn't, to looking like this, and I just love how it turned out. It didn't take a lot to make it look complete, but I finished it and I am so excited with the outcome. So to complete my command center wall, I took these 4 frames from the Dollar Tree that matched my calendar frame perfectly, and I spray painted one with chalk spray paint and used it as a menu board. And then the one in the top right hand corner, I cut a metal sheet to the size of the frame and used it as a magnet board. And then that one that looks like a dry erase board, I just took a white sheet of paper and put it inside the frame to make it look like a whiteboard. So I had one more frame that you can see I haven't done anything to, and I am thinking about turning that one into a corkboard. I just need to find a corkboard that I can cut to size and put it in that frame. So over on this wall, I have our welcome keychain holder, and then you can see our acrylic file holder. I attached it to the wall using the Velcro command strips, so that way it doesn't take up a lot of space on my desk. So I try to keep as little as I can on the desk. So you'll notice that I just have the lamp. I've got that organizer that holds our calendars and some notebooks. And then I've got our stapler and tape dispenser, a pencil sharpener. I love this organizer that I got from Target. It holds all of our planners and my notebook really well. And then in one of my drawers here is where I have these acrylic organizers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And you can see I've got binder clips, some extra staples, I've got Post-its, anything that I may need that is convenient to have in the command center in the desk area, I keep here. I've got extra magnets, extra binder clips, and thumbtacks. I couldn't believe that I got this organizer at the Dollar Tree. I think it is so well made and it holds so much. In my middle drawer, I just have some extra notepads, a little square reader, that's my husband's, and you can see I've got a large pair of scissors and a hole puncher. So it's just some extra stuff that I keep in there. So I took this opportunity that I was working on our command center and trying to finish it up to go ahead and revamp our home binder. I had actually made one of these 2 years ago, and last year I kind of just let it slip to the wayside. So this year I wanted to go ahead and revamp it, and my sister made me these cute printables. So I printed out a few blank ones just to show you guys an idea of what we put in our home binder. So this one is important information. You can see it has primary care physician, so doctor's information, emergency contact information, family insurance information. And then I have a printable for monthly bills. So this is where we can just list off all of our monthly bills and go back to that if we need to access it. I have a household password log, home maintenance section, and then this section is just for stamps and envelopes. So I have these little plastic zipper bags that I got them off of Amazon, and I just have to buy the stamps to put them in there. But in here you can see I have large envelopes and small envelopes. So in the other zip bag I will put the stamps and a pen, so that way it's easy to access. You can just come to the binder, open it up, and the stamps and envelopes will be there. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up so that I know that you guys enjoy this type of content. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. And also let me know in the comments down below if you guys have a command center in your home, or if it's something that you've been considering doing to get your family a little bit more organized. So that's it. It's not very complicated, but it's so convenient to have, and it just helps to keep our lives more organized. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you got some inspiration to do your own command center or organize your own space where your family can just come and see what's going on in the household. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.